What's going on, guys? Will here, back today with another video, and today we're gonna be doing another POV style video, and the last one was really successful. Couple of pointers in the comments which I 100% agree with, so we're gonna try and fix those today. I've actually moved house, so I'm in a completely new area, so I thought, why not do another POV style video around this area, test out the car around different types of terrain as well, and hopefully give you guys a little bit of an insight into the Audi A3 once again, just in a completely different area, and then hopefully it helps you guys understand what it's like to drive. If you do enjoy the video, please remember to hit that like button down below, hit that subscribe button as well, and ding dong that notification bell to be notified of future uploads. Over 95% of you aren't subscribed to the channel, so please do that. It'd really help me out a lot, and it will also let the YouTube algorithm know that you're enjoying the content as well, and you'll be notified whenever I upload, so you'll never miss a video. Why not check out my social medias as well? I'll leave my Instagram in the description box below, and I'll also put the tag on screen now as well. Leave in the comments below what you would like to see on this channel moving forward. We've got a couple of interesting ideas. We want to start moving back towards modifications and stuff, but we thought you guys used to love the POVs, so we thought we'll do another one in the Audi and potentially do some more in a few more cars as well. But without further ado, let's put the GoPro on and let's go for a little drive and see what we find, and let me be as open and honest with you guys as possible. Let's do it. So as you can see, we're going to be doing a POV video in the beauty. Let's look at it in all of its glory. Absolutely needs a clean, 100%. So hopefully this is a lot better camera angles to what we were playing with before. I've sort of invested in a hat, I don't know if you can see that, to sort of, you know, put the GoPro on so it's more in, like, more level with my eye line. So yeah, hopefully this is a lot more better for driving, and hopefully we can capture some good things along the way. So we're gonna take it out of the car park, you know, and let's go for a little drive. So as you can see, I am in a completely new area. We're no longer in Ipswich anymore. We're actually moved into a little town called Braintree, which is just closer to where my girlfriend works. So I thought we'd take a little bit of a POV view or drive around this area, test the car out in a few more roads, you know, for instance, country roads and stuff. But at the minute we're in the busy old Freeport village, which is just over there, which is like an outlet shop. So yeah, I've taken a few of your notes on board from the last POV video. Obviously we didn't have the logo in the steering wheel, so now we've got that in shot. And also there was too much of the ceiling on show as well, so we've tried to get rid of that as much as possible as well. So firstly, we're sort of in like town driving, I would say, in this little area, and I haven't got it in economy mode because I just feel like it's not worth the, like, you know, the amount you save on it is not really that great compared to, you know, like dynamic mode anyway. So I always just have it in dynamic, really. I really enjoy this car in town driving. It doesn't use too much fuel consumption. As you can see today, I've got about 20, I've got about 135 miles left. But yeah, it doesn't use too much fuel consumption compared to like other cars. We're now moving on to a slightly like bigger bit, so this is now a 40 road, and I like to floor it down these roads. And as you can see, it's not sluggish, it's not the quickest. It tells you when to change gear as well, which is quite nice. But yeah, I don't think it's slow at all, and I don't think it's the quickest, but I quite like it. The pull away is nice, the sound of it's nice for a 1.4 litre. So I just pulled in because my GoPro stopped there. So the one thing I will mention is the turning circle isn't the best. So if I just do a UE here, as you can see, this is full lock and I didn't make it, you see. So the turning circle isn't the best, but there we are. See, as I was saying, the fuel consumption's pretty good for what it is. You know, it's an Audi, so you're not going to expect the best. However, it's not as bad as what you would necessarily think. So in terms of country driving, the handling's great. Like I said, the turn circle's a little bit wide, but you know, I really like it, and I've got some Michelin Pilot Sport 4s on these, and the car literally just sticks to the road. When you're driving in the rain, you literally can't feel like it's raining at all. It's just so sticky. Right, so I've had to come down this dead end because my SD card just stopped working for some reason, which is brilliant. One thing I found with GoPros, they have no end of problems. Okay, so we're gonna go back the other way now. We did go through some nice country lanes, so we'll do that now. And then what we will do, we'll go on the motorway and show you guys a bit of the motorway driving, and then we'll do a bit more town driving, and then we'll go from there. So, as I said, the country driving isn't that bad. I personally think this is what the car's best at doing because it sticks to the road. It handles the speed and the acceleration and stuff really well. And it's not too noisy. On the motorway, it's a little bit noisier than what you would want it because the noise reduction is not that great. As I was saying, look, you can just go around these corners at 50 comfortably. You don't ever feel like you're going to be, you know, coming off the road or anything like that, which is all good. Like I say, you don't ever really have to take your foot off the accelerator. I really enjoy this car, and as you can see, the interior is just beautiful to look at. Do you know what I mean? It does. My one does need a bit of a clean, but yeah, the interior is definitely the best thing for me about this car. It's comfortable to drive, you're laid back, it's a little bit nippy, not too quick, but yeah, the interior is just so nice to look at, and you've got all your functionalities and stuff on here that you can go through, which I really enjoy. You've got your multimedia system there, which would have your music of who's playing and everything. It's telling me I need washer fluid. So we're now going into a 40 now. The braking's really good, by the way. Like, I need some new brake discs on my car, but even so, braking's still pretty good. I mean, I changed the brake pads last year, so they've still got quite a long life left of them. Haven't really driven it too much since replacing those as well, so they still should be pretty good. I've noticed my brake discs themselves definitely need changing, but we'll come to that later on in the year. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, guys, if you are enjoying this sort of content. We haven't really seen anything too funny along the way today, but yeah, I'm really enjoying making these videos, and if there's any way you would want me to drive or any roads you'd want me to drive, I'd be more than happy to do that. I'm going to try out some new cars as well, because obviously this is my car, I'm used to it, so there's not really much I can tell you because I've gone through every single, you know, experience with this. So obviously, yeah, I want to try some new cars and give my raw opinions on them. So as you can see, the multimedia system is really easy to use. I usually just have it on the media one, and then it just shows who I'd be playing at that said point. This one down here, I always really have showing the miles left or the miles per gallon that I'm getting. So as you can see, 38.6 for town driving. If we were doing motorway driving, it'd probably be a bit more, probably around 48.50, which is all good, not too bad for dynamic. I just want to thank you guys again for those 1,000 subscribers. We're still pushing on, which is absolutely insane. Honestly, it was a dream come true to be able to apply for the YouTube partner program and be accepted onto that. So to celebrate that, why don't you hit the like button down below and let me know that you are enjoying the content and what you want to see. Be sure to comment that as well, and we'll be sure to try and facilitate that in the near future. One thing I do want to do is tint my back windows. I've had the tint sitting there for so long, and I just haven't got round to doing it. We've got the window tinting set as well, so we'll have a go at it and see if we can pick it up. It does look quite hard to do, so we'll probably mess it up, but you know what, we'll give everything a go. If we mess it up, we can always peel it off, can't we? So we'll definitely try that in the near future. As you can see, look, not phased by this corner at all, going around that at 30 mile an hour. Yeah, let's try a bit of motorway driving now. So we're back into my area, my manor. If we go straight ahead, that'd be going into town. So we're gonna floor it now until we get to the speed limit. So as you can see, and we're there already, put it into 6th. It's not too shabby, do you know what I mean? It's not slow, it's about 8.5 or 9 seconds around that time, so it's not too bad indeed. So we are back. We've had a couple of GoPro issues today, so I don't know what footage is actually recorded and what hasn't. Hopefully I've got my point across in most of the bits. If not, I'll just have to voice over it a little bit. We'll do this loop around the circle, to be honest. So that's the town centre right in front of us over there. It's not a very big town centre, not at all. It's more like a little village, to be honest. I think the main part of Braintree is definitely Freeport, and that's the main attraction. I definitely recommend you buying this car. I think it's a really good all-round car. It performs well on motorways, on country roads, easy to park, it's good around town. It's just a good all-rounder. It's not the quickest, it's not the slowest, it's not the best on fuel consumption, it's not the worst on fuel consumption. It just is average in every single way, or above average in every single way, but it's just a good all-round car that you can drive. Like, I'm happy with it. Obviously, I would love to have a really quick car, but yeah, for now this will do me for a good few years while we get like the house and stuff sorted. And we can still do so much to it. That's the thing, there's still so much we can do to this car, like new alloys, side skirts, making it look nicer, making it sound nicer. There's still so much more we can do with it, so it is a good car. I'm excited to see what we can do in future uploads. I've actually just pulled up outside my local gym just because it's the most quietest place, and we were down in the area when we were recording it, so I need to sort my alloys out, as you can see. But there she is in all her glory. But yeah, I had a few GoPro issues. I don't know what's going on with it. Hopefully I've recorded enough for you guys. Also, debating whether to retouch up these alloys, the black ones, or if we go a different colour like copper or something. So let me know down below what you guys think. We've still got this like sealant from when they done the tyres on that we just need to, you know, get off because it's just powdery. So we need to clean all those. Need a new brake discs, as you can see they're rusty and they're starting to get a little bit of a lip on them. And also we need to do our calipers. I'm thinking a red. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Yeah, she's a beauty. So this is how big this like thing is. Yeah, look how much of a turning circle I'll need to swing this round. Do you know what I mean? Like, I've nearly taken up that whole turning circle to do a U-E. But I'm nearly home now, so what I'm going to do is end the video here. Let's pass back to Old Will to do future Will's outro. So guys, that will be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys did as well. If you did, please hit that like button. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that you enjoyed this content and that you want to see more videos from my channel in the future. And it also lets YouTube know that other people will like this content as well, so that would really help me out. Also, if you did enjoy the content, please remember to hit that subscribe button, ding dong that notification bell. Then you'll be notified whenever I upload in the future. We've got a couple of interesting videos coming soon on this channel. You won't want to miss them, so please hit that subscribe button. Over the next couple of weeks, we've got a couple more reviews on my friends' cars. We've got a couple of modifications that we can be getting on with. I haven't decided what order I want to put them in yet, but we know that we can definitely get on with those soon enough, so stay tuned for that. But anyway guys, that is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.